Meet the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Whip up your favorite treats fast and easy with the dough blender from Spring Chef. This blender includes 5 thick, durable blades compared to 4 on most competitors, giving you much more power and control. It's constructed of solid stainless steel and is dishwasher safe, so it will never rust. The soft gripped handle is comfortable to hold and won't slip with wet hands, so you can cut cold butter into flour easily. And the blender is versatile. Chop hard-boiled eggs, soft fruits, vegetables, nuts, avocados, and more. Work smarter, not harder in the kitchen, and get the dough blender from Spring Chef today.
Create and portion enticing meals in the kitchen with the help of the Etekcity EK3550 digital kitchen scale. You'll be able to measure a wide array of ingredients ranging from spices to cut pieces of meat using the included 27-ounce bowl. Select ounces, fluid ounces, and pounds to measure your ingredients. Or press the unit button on the bottom of the scale to instantly switch over to metric units. The EK3550 is designed to differentiate between milk and water to accurately measure out liquids for your recipes. Set the scale on the water mode for liquids with a lighter density, such as cooking oil or fruit juices. The milk mode should be used for denser liquids like heavy whipping cream or almond milk. The unique bowl design also makes it easier to pour liquids and ingredients without having to worry about any spills or potential messes. You can even swap out the included bowl for your own container using the tare function. When you're finished weighing your ingredients, simply flip the bowl over and place it on top of the scale and store it away. With the Etekcity EK3550 digital kitchen scale, not only can you perfectly portion your meals, you'll also be able to build new healthy habits.
It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.